abarimu abanene b'ekisukuru ky'ekisekondari ky'igoro kurwase ekisukuru awa sorogongorwa gusi buna eria y'abanyaruka ya Nyamagwa eryambase ery'abamura ya Nyamache nigo bono bayanekire buna omubaro omone bwaborkiwa nigo baire gukorikiwa ase ekisukuru ekyo batabekire ase system eria y'ewizara ya CHISEMI ase bono ekisukuru ekyo banyarire ko bagoteba ng'a ose gukwana n'abariki amang'ana omwarimu omonene bw'esukuru ya St Mary's oyo manyikane buna Mary Nyaberi nigo anyarire ko bakagwesokia na goteba ng'a nigo aborkiwa chimibere insi aborkiwa chimisatu na 50 abo bare ase skuru eyo tibanyari ko bakobekwa ase system area y'ewizara ya CHISEMI ase emirobero yo kwenekia bunanko babeka bare eri bachikwegenderia ase CHISEMI nemono nigo bona barimu abo basokire na gokwana buna niga aborkiwa banyari ko bagosinyo gwikirana ase chiskuru okoba yokobora chiskul fees ase batebire gati abaibori nigo babekire emirobero yo 45 chibando nigati ebinto binde ibirachi gutumeka bune nchiremo yo gwakandira aborkiwa chiskul fees kwegenderia ne CHISEMI
cha kwamba wanafunzi wote wanarudi shule 100% transition, hasa wale walifanya mitihani vitengo mbalimbali. Na changamoto ambayo tunaona hapa hivi mtaani ni kwamba wanafunzi wengi wanataka kwenda shule, lakini unapata kuna shida ya school fees, na wazazi pia wana mambo mengine vile wanajiweza. Kwa mfano unapata mzazi ana pesa lakini ana vifaa kama kuna vitu mbalimbali kama mahindi, kuni, vile vitu ambavyo vinaweza sukuma shule.
We have started receiving grade 10 students since Monday, although in a very low rate. We were allocated about 600 students, but up to now we have received 203 students. We hope these students who have been placed here will be coming, because when we read on the net, they are there, they are coming. Some parents are calling that they be given more time so that they organize themselves to bring the boys.
I think many parents are not able to meet their obligations. They are sending many students to school, or they are coming on their own to school without either fees or other items like uniform. Some students have come and they are in civilian, they are not even in uniform. It's like maybe the economy is fighting hard, or people do not know what they are supposed to do.
We have received around 300 students who have been received. Among the 300 students, around 250 have already reflected in our admissions. Others, their cases are pending. But the challenge we are experiencing in these grade 10 admissions, there are those students who are transferred and their cases are pending. So getting the password to admit them is becoming a challenge. And I'm requesting the government if they can hurry up on those particular cases which the students requested for the transfers.
We were slotted in 500 slots for grade 10, and so far, as of the 4th day today, we have had 177 reporting, while 272 are yet to report, and they still appear in the KEMI's platform.